In lesson 5, we're going to spend some time looking at comparing numbers, and this is another super important number sense skills. Now, when I tell you that 101 compared to 15, which one is larger, we know that 101 is larger than 15. But for some reason, when the numbers get larger than the ones, tens, hundreds place, it gets a little bit trickier for us to identify which one is a larger value. We have a challenge problem for our application today. It says that we're going to have a place value chart to the hundred thousands. I'm going to draw that in a moment. It has to use the digits 9, 8, 7, 3, 1, and 0. To create a number that is between 700,000 and 900,000. Now you're going to have some flexibility, as it says in the extension. You could have two or more numbers that follow the same directions as above. So we know the parameter is it needs to be between 700,000 and 900,000. So when I do this, I know that I have the numbers 9, 8, 7, 3, 1, and 0 to use. So if I have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my 1,000s, my 10,000s, and my 100,000s place. In this problem, I know it needs to be between 700,000 and 900,000. So that means that any number in the 100,000s that is below 700,000, so your 3, your 1, or your 0, would not allow the number to be large enough to be within this parameter. In the same sense, it says it cannot be higher than 900,000. So even 900,001 is too large. So I know that in the 100,000s place value, I can either choose 8 or 7. And since it's in the 800 to 700,000 range, that means after I decide if I want to be 7 or 8, any of the other numbers are totally reasonable. So say I want to do the largest number possible without being over 9,000. I could do 8,000, then my next largest number, then my next largest number, then my next largest number, my next largest number, and my last number. That would be less than 900,000 and more than 700,000. Maybe I want my smallest possible number without going over 900,000 and staying above 700,000. So I would stick at 700,000, but my 10,000, my next largest place value, maybe I go from the smallest digit possible all the way up. This would be the smallest possible number. This would be the largest possible number to still fit between 700 and 900,000. Okay? It would ask you then to write in word form. I'm going to let you guys do that portion. But like I said, say you want to do 8, then 3, then 9, then 1, then 0, then 7. Totally fine. After you identify that the 8 or the 7 are the only two digits for the 100,000s place, you will have an acceptable answer as long as you've used all the numbers stated for in the question.